Hi, my name is Kevin Bachiller. I'm the president and founder of BYD Shark 6 Auto Club. Nabuo yung grupo namin dahil dun sa Facebook group na ginawa ko. So napili namin yung Bahay na Maria as a recipient for our outreach program. Kasi nga nakita namin yung pangangailangan nila ng mga elderly people dito, ng mga scholars. So malaking tulong yung nagawang partnership ng BYD Santa Rosa and AC Mobility para ma-execute itong medical mission and gift giving sa Bahay ni Maria. Ang purpose kung bakit namin binuo yung grupo na to, yung BYD Shark 6 Auto Club, very common na kasi yung sa ibang mga club na nagkakaroon lang ng car meet, kita-kita, overlanding, camping. So ang naisip namin ay parang maiba naman. So we want to help the community to give back, and also we want to have an impact to the community. In the future, we are planning to have a collaboration again with BYD Santa Rosa for other activities such as tree planting, community cleaning, and other outreach program. In the future, we are also planning other events. So hindi lang dito magtatapos sa Bahay ni Maria yung magiging activity namin. So marami pa kaming pinaplano ngayong taon and the next years to come. Lalo nang alam namin na mas dadami yung magiging owner ng BYD Shark 6. So mas malaki yung maitutulong namin sa community. On behalf of the BYD Shark 6 Auto Club, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Bahay ni Maria for warmly welcoming us and giving us the opportunity to join their community.